Oh my god.
They won't let me pick it up, Falcon. There we go. Oh my god, take it. Is it a real person?
Yes.
Fucked up real person.
From where? From below?
150 knock. It's got the AUG though. Want to know where his buddy is. Nice. Sizzling champ. Blue tap. What? You can have the tack if you want it. Ooh, what? Where at? Where at? Ah, damn. Ooh.
Beautiful. Here shooting.
Hilltop. 150 knock. Oh my god, Falcon. Person. Double? Is that a double kill? They both exploded when I shot his partner. Ooh. Where's it at, Falcon? Getting shot at. Where are you at? I missed. There we go. Oh shit, his loot's even coming.
Hold there.
It's behind this tree. 150 shield. It's a real person. You built. Falcon, where are you? Falcon, this dude.
Underneath the bridge.
Yeah, get over here. Oh, his partner's coming. Shit. Oh, he might be backing up. He might be running away. I think the heavy sniper scared him. 150 and he's like, fuck me! Or that's a totally different dude building behind this dude. We gotta get on that hilltop though. That's where the circle's going.
You got a launch pad?
I do. Oh, shit. Are you ready to hit this launch pad? There's people there, Falcon. There was footsteps behind me.
People up top.
Shield, or yeah, behind you, behind you. I can't see them. Oh shit, where's this guy at?
Martinez, I got a guy with a rocket launcher.
Yeah, we got a heavy sniper behind us too. Where are you at?
Rocket launcher guy behind us. Oh. And the minigun.
Yeah.
Keep myself progressing, cause I creep around suppressants. I don't sleep enough, you guessed it. Every second is a blessing.